Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Holo Hookup unboxing. I'm going to show you guys swatches of the polishes that came in the June box. This month's theme was the Caribbean theme. I know I used to do the Holo Hookup versus Shimmer Me box unboxings, but I'm no longer getting the Shimmer Me box. I talked about why in my last video, in my last Holo Hookup versus Shimmer Me box video. For those of you who don't know, the Holo Hookup is a monthly box. It does have a theme to it. It's not a subscription, so you do have to purchase every box like individually. So like I said, June's theme was a Caribbean theme, and the guest polish maker was Top Shelf Lacquer. I think I had maybe one nail polish from this brand, but I don't even remember even using it or swatching it yet. So this is a brand new brand. I've never tried this before, at least as far as I remember. So the color is called Bahama Blues Cocktail, and this is a beautiful like baby blue color with a whole bunch of course, holographic shimmer running throughout the polish, and then there's an iridescent kind of shimmer running throughout the polish as well. It's got like a kind of purpley pink flash to it. It's very beautiful. This was fully opaque on me in just 2 coats, but the formula was a little bit on the thicker side. I didn't really have too much of an issue with like pooling or anything like that. Even though I didn't have a problem with pooling, I did find myself having to wipe off some excess polish from the brush in order to get a nice and thin, even coat. So I do like this. I do like the formula of it. I really like the color of it. I think it's perfect for the summertime, but it's not the most unique polish that I've seen from the Holo Hookup, but I was glad that I was able to try a new brand. So then the 3 brands that typically come in the Holo Hookup are Cupcake Polish, Different Dimensions, and Glisten Glow. And I always love the formula from these 3 polishes, so it's going to be no surprise that most of these had an amazing formula. So the first polish is from Cupcake Polish, and it's called Sangria and St. Thomas, and this is a sangria pink. So it's a hot pink, but it has a little bit of purple in it. But at first this just looks like a, you know, pinky purple holographic polish, but there's these iridescent, I don't call them flakies, they more look like iridescent micro glitters. They're so beautiful, and they add just something extra to this polish. They do show up pretty nicely on the nails, so it's not just in the bottle, and the formula of this is divine. This was fully opaque on me in 2 coats, but honestly the first coat was very opaque. If you're not too picky, you may be able to get away with just 1 coat of this. I always have to do 2 coats if I'm wearing if my nails are a little bit on the longer side. I always end up having to do 2 coats, even if the formula is very opaque and it's a 1 coater. I always just do 2 coats just to be on the safe side. So the next polish is just gorgeous. This is from Different Dimensions, and it's called Midori Sours in, I can't say that word, in Montserrat. So I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. I really can't say that word. But this is a gorgeous like lime green. It really does look like the color of the Midori liqueur. I love this. This was fully opaque on me in just 2 coats. It was a little bit, again, on the thicker side, but I think that worked with this because I was able to build it up really, really nicely. And the holographic like shift in here is stunning. I didn't think it was going to be that apparent once I got it in the nails, but it is so blinding. It is beautiful. I don't have a color quite like this in my collection. Most of the holographic polishes that I have like lean a little bit, they're green, but they lean a little bit darker, or they definitely lean more yellow. This is kind of the perfect like yellowish green color. It's so bright. It's so beautiful. I definitely say it's like more on the neon side. I'm sure if you put a white base underneath this, it would make this polish just pop, but this is stunning for the summertime. And then the last polish in the box is from Glisten Glow, and this is a beautiful like bubblegum pink holographic polish. This is in the color Mai Tais in Martinique. Such a beautiful polish. The formula was fully opaque on me in just 2 coats. The holographic shift in here is absolutely beautiful. I will say I probably could find something close to this in my collection, but I feel like it's a very bright and kind of neon bubblegum pink that I'm happy with it. I kind of wish I had added maybe some like chunkier holographic glitter in here to kind of make this polish pop, but like I said, I'm happy with this. I'm sure I'll get a lot of use out of this. I absolutely love wearing bright pinks, especially in the summertime. So I'm glad I have this in my collection. So that's it. That's my unboxing for June's Holo Hookup box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to try and do live swatches for you guys in next month's box. So the July box, because I already placed an order. I already pre-ordered that. So I hope you guys again enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I currently post 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And then on Sunday or every other Sunday, I like to post a weekly makeup basket. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.